Thank you for tuning into my channel. This is Bonnie B of the DMV. These green beans, guys, fresh green beans. I got the green beans from Dutch Country Farmers Market in Laurel, Maryland. And check out my video on YouTube, and you see how I prepared everything. This is delicious, guys. Have a great day. Oh, I love these green beans. Yes, Lord.